Hello, hello, everyone. Today we are talking about why most coaches fail to scale and how to fix it. So, you become a coach to change lives, to make an impact, and to create freedom for yourself. But right now, you're probably feeling stuck. You're grinding away, putting in long hours, and yet your business isn't growing the way you thought it would. Why? Because you're making the number one mistake that keeps most coaches from scaling. And no, it's not your marketing, it's not your offer, or even your pricing. This is trying to do everything yourself. So stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to break free from the overwhelm, scale your business to six figures and beyond, and finally get your time back. So, hey, I'm Heather Blaze, and I help coaches, consultants, and experts build predictable, scalable businesses that bring in at least 20,000 a month without burning out. And I've helped countless entrepreneurs break through the barriers holding them back and finally create the life they envisioned when they started their business. And today I'm going to help you do the same thing. So, here's what we're going to cover today. First, we're going to break down why doing everything yourself is a trap and how to keep, you know, and how it's keeping you stuck. And then I'll show you the three crucial steps to escape it so that you can finally focus on what actually grows your business. And finally, I'll share a powerful strategy that my clients use to really skyrocket their revenue while working fewer hours. So stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to scaling your business without sacrificing your freedom. So the first step is the mistake of doing everything yourself. Okay, let's talk about that. Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like you're just drowning in busy work, responding to emails, tweaking your website, managing social media, handling client calls, and everything in between? Well, here's the truth. That's not growing your business. Okay, that's just keeping you busy. And if you keep trying to do everything yourself, you will never scale. So let me tell you a story about when I first started, because I remember when I first started coaching, my coaching business, I was running everything, booking calls, responding to every message personally, creating content, handling invoices, and even troubleshooting tech issues on my website. And I convinced myself that I was saving money by doing it all. But in reality, I was stretching thin. I was getting exhausted and barely making any progress. And then the moment I realized that successful entrepreneurs don't do it all themselves was the moment that everything changed. So I had to stop being the bottleneck in my own business. And I actually just did a recording the other day on how to scale to 100,000 plus per month. Yes, per month. The steps and I talk a lot about the bottlenecks in that and like recognize them and where are they and things like that and then how to overcome them. So anyway, back to what we're talking about today. So what should I do, right? If I'm the bottleneck, what should I do? The first step is to automate repetitive tasks. That's the first step. So just imagine trying to fill a bucket with water, but the bucket has holes in it. That's your time, right? That's your time when you don't have automation. Every unnecessary task that you handle manually is really draining your energy and your productivity. So here's what you got to do. Use Go High Level. I love Go High Level. It's a great tool. I've used many, many, many platforms, and I have found that Go High Level, or I think it's just called High Level. I don't know, whatever it's called. Go High Level. Google both of them, and you'll get it. But this tool really automates everything. Everything. It has everything in it. It's amazing, and it's a fraction of the cost of like HubSpot or Entreport or many of the other ones that I've used. And works way better, way less glitchy. So anyway, well, HubSpot was really amazing, but it was just really, really expensive. I think I was up to like $1,500 a month with that one. And this one, it's 150 bucks, 150 bucks a month. So pretty good. But anyway, you can use this tool to automate your scheduling, email follow-ups. It's a CRM management tool, and even your sales funnels can go in there. So instead of manually chasing leads and remembering to follow up, Go High Level does it for you. Okay, it just frees up hours and hours each week. So take one of my clients who's a health coach, for example. She used to spend at least 2 hours a day just following up with potential clients via email and social media messages. And when she integrated into Go High Level, what I do is I build it out for my clients. So it doesn't take months or years to build it out. We build out all the automation, we build out everything, even email templates and SMS templates to guide people onto the phone. Like everything's done for my clients. So they just, attach their calendar link, domain name, and edit some templates, and then basically turn it on. So it's pretty. It goes really quick. But anyway, she put this into her workflow, and all those follow ups just happened automatically. So within a month, her conversion rate doubled, and she was able to use that extra time to serve more clients and just scale her income. So automation's a game changer, but it's not enough. Okay. You also need to stop doing everything yourself and start building a team at some point too, but do it strategically. You don't want to go too fast with this. You got to know how to be able to get the results first yourself. So I see a lot of people out there that'll go and hire like a marketing manager or somebody to do their marketing for them because they don't know how to do it. But that's a huge mistake, because if you don't know how to do it, you don't know what to hire for, you don't know how to train them, and you don't know how to follow up, right? Once you delegate, it's really important that you know how to get the results first and then hire, train, delegate, and follow up consistently, so that you keep getting the same results. Okay. Also, if they go away, if they, quit or move or something happens to them, right? You're not stuck at square one trying to find somebody else, right? You can pick up right where they left off because you know how to do it while you're looking for the next person. So your business just stays steady. So now let's discuss how to hire strategically. Okay. So a lot of coaches think that hiring a team means spending a fortune, and it doesn't. You don't need a massive team. You just need you just need the right help. So a virtual assistant could be good for a few hours a week. It can take some of the admin work off your plate. A content editor can repurpose your videos into posts, blogs, and emails, and then post them everywhere for you. When you hire the right people, your business just moves forward without you having to do everything. So think of your business like a restaurant. Okay. If the chef had to cook, serve, clean, and manage bookings, the restaurant would fail because, but when they're focused on just the cooking, that's their genius, right? The restaurant really thrives. Um, Take my client, Michelle, for example. She's a leadership coach, and she was spending nearly 10 hours a week scheduling calls, editing her own videos, and writing her own emails. And she thought, she couldn't really afford help, but I challenged her to hire a VA just for 5 hours a week. And the result was that she instantly got back 40 hours a month, right? Which she then could reinvest into serving her high ticket clients and closing more deals. And that small decision led to a 30K revenue increase in just 3 months. So hiring is a great start, but like what I tell my clients, without systems, you'll just create more chaos. So that's why the final step is crucial. Systemize your process, right? Make sure you can get the results, then you want to systemize it. So a scalable business runs on systems, not chaos. So document every step of like your client's onboarding journey, right? Or marketing and sales. When your processes are clear and repeatable, you can deliver results consistently without consistently reinventing the wheel. So this is something that I go deep on with my clients once they enroll in my program. But for example, one of my clients, Lisa, she's a mindset coach, and she went from working 60 plus hours a week to just 20 hours by simply documenting her process and delegating tasks. She created a step-by-step onboarding system, automated the lead nurturing again with Go High Level, and trained a VA to handle the customer inquiries. So within months, she doubled her revenue and finally had time for her family, right? To spend that quality time with her family. That's what she really wanted. So 60 plus hours down to about 20, 25 hours a week. And, so just recording everything, recording videos, recording everything, just saves so much time. So now that you understand these 3 steps, let me give you an extra edge with a little bonus tip that most coaches overlook. This is something that most people won't tell you. So the coaches making 100K plus a year aren't working harder than you. Okay, they just have better systems. And I want to take it even further. In my free masterclass, I really break down the exact step-by-step process that my clients use to build a predictable, scalable coaching business. So I'll drop that link below. You're not going to want to miss that. It really gives so much clarity. So if you got value from this, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment below. Like, what's one thing that you're ready to automate or delegate in your business? I'd really love to know. And if you're serious about scaling, click the link in the description to join my free masterclass. And I'll show you the exact system that my clients use to hit 20K plus per month consistently. Um, while working about 20 hours a week. So again, the biggest mistakes keeping coaches stuck is trying to do everything themselves. And the solution, we just discussed it, right? Automate, hire strategically, and systemize your processes. So when you do this, you free up your time, you attract more clients and scale without burnout. And remember, success isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. So take action today and stay tuned for my next video where I'll show you the science of confidence, how to eliminate self-doubt and close premium clients. So you can watch that right here, and I will see you there.